Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make some akara. Akara is peeled beans, soaked and made into a paste. The paste is fried. So let's make akara happen. Make the beans paste for the akara. You start by soaking the beans in water for 2 minutes or so. And then you peel with a grater, either a stainless grater or a plastic one. If you don't want to use a grater, rub it between both hands till you remove the skin and allow it to soak till it doubles or triples, particularly if you are using a blender. Beans is soft. Let me remove that skin from it. I'll be using onion. I'm going to cut it into half, chop up some and grind with some, and I'm going to use chili pepper, 2 chili peppers, and then I'm going to cut some spring onions with it. Going to chop this half to be used later on. Slicing the other half of the onion. I'm going to cut up the chili pepper, 2 chili peppers. These are to be blended with the beans, and the onions and the peppers have been washed and drained. Time to blend, and a great way is always add water first so that the blades will be able to move properly before you put in whatever you want to blend. That way you'll be able to control the amount of water used in blending. Add water as you go, a teaspoon, a tablespoon at once. Yes, everything is blended. I'm going to check it. All blended. It's better for it to be this thick than to add excess water and you can't control it. I can always add water later. I'm going to pour it into a bowl. Traditionally, you use a mortar, wooden mortar, and they'll put it inside. And we have different technologies for cooking and it works over the years. Traditionally, that is what I'm saying. So I'm going to rinse out the blender. That will be the water I'll add to. For the garnishing stroke filling, I'm going to cut in the pepper, the chili pepper, some pepperish. I'm going to add about 1 since I've already blended it with pepper and it's already red. This reminds me of the Brazilian version of Akara, Akara. Don't know how it is pronounced. I'm going to add the spring onions. This is about making your regular food into a new level, more attractive. Chopped onion goes in. Isn't this appealing to the salt? A little salt will do. I'm going to mix this till it's light and fluffy. I think I said earlier on, traditionally a mortar and a pestle or a mortar and a wooden spoon is used. But if your national grid hasn't collapsed and there is electricity, go ahead and use a mixer. As with all other mixing methods of entrapping hair into it, do not overmix. Mixer has done the most of the mixing. Meanwhile, I have put the oil on the stove for deep frying, just a little bit, and look how light it is. With this, you could get a smooth, thick beans paste with a blender. So if the oil is at the right temperature, add a drop of water or a piece of onion and watch how the onion comes up from the oil or rises from the oil, floats. Yeah, floats is the word to use. When it is hot enough, add by spoonfuls into the oil. The heat should be medium to low so the akara gets cooked even. The akara is turning out nicely. Change the sides, use a skewer. Akara could be a snack, street food, a meal when you combine it with bread, pap, custard, or oats. Okay, so I'm going to bring it out when it is done. Frying in batches, just mix it a bit before you fry it since it has been sitting down. And that's how you make your akara fluffy. Spice it up, do something different. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
I wake up today.